Are you trying to decide between Joplin and Upnote? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these two note taking tools to help you choose the right one for you. Both Joplin and Upnote let you take notes, organize them, and access them across devices. They both aim to make your note taking experience easier and more efficient. Let's start with Joplin. This tool is open source and offers a lot of customization. You can create notebooks, tag your notes, and even add attachments. It also supports Markdown, which is great if you like formatting your text. Plus, you can sync your notes with cloud services like Dropbox or OneDrive. Now, let's talk about Upnote. This tool has a clean and modern design. It focuses on simplicity and ease of use. You can create notes quickly and organize them into folders. Upnote also allows you to add images, links, and even audio recordings. Its search feature is quite powerful, making it easy to find what you need. So, what are the key differences? Joplin is more customizable and suited for users who like to tinker with settings. Upnote is better for those who want a straightforward and user friendly experience. When it comes to features, Joplin offers more advanced options like encryption and markdown support. Upnote shines with its intuitive interface and beautiful design. As for pricing, Joplin is free, but you might need to pay for some cloud services. Upnote has a subscription model, but it offers a free version with limited features. In the end, if you prefer a customizable tool and don't mind a bit of complexity, go for Joplin. If you want something simple and visually appealing, Upnote is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this.